Earthflax is a plant that has been used for thousands of years for its fiber and seeds. It is also known as flax, common flax, or linseed, and its scientific name is Linum usitatissimum. Earthflax belongs to the family Linaceae, which includes about 200 species of flowering plants. Earthflax is different from other plants in several ways. First, it has a dual purpose. It can be grown for its fiber, which is used to make linen cloth, or for its seeds, which are edible and have many health benefits. Second, it has a unique appearance. It has slender stems that can grow up to 4 feet tall, with narrow leaves and small blue, white, or pink flowers. Third, it has a long history of cultivation and use. It was one of the first crops domesticated by humans, and it was widely used in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Greece. Earthflax is a versatile and valuable plant that can help save the planet in many ways. It can provide a sustainable source of fiber that is biodegradable and does not require pesticides or fertilizers. It can also provide a nutritious source of food that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and antioxidants. Earthflax can also be used to make linseed oil, which has various industrial and medicinal applications. In this video, we will explore how Earthflax could save the planet by looking at its benefits for the environment, the economy, and the society. We will also show you how to grow your own Earthflax at home and how to use it for different purposes. Stay tuned for more information on this amazing plant. Earthflax is a type of fine silky asbestos that has been used for centuries as a fireproof material. However, recent studies have shown that Earthflax also has remarkable benefits for the environment, especially in terms of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and soil erosion. One of the main causes of global warming is the excess amount of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere, which traps heat and raises the temperature of the Earth. CO2 comes from various sources, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and decomposition of organic matter. To mitigate this problem, we need to find ways to remove CO2 from the air and store it in other forms. This is where Earthflax comes in. Earthflax has a unique ability to absorb CO2 and convert it into calcium carbonate, CaCO3, a stable and harmless compound that forms the shells of marine organisms and the rocks of limestone. Earthflax can do this through a process called carbonation, which involves reacting CO2 with water and calcium ions, Ca2+, in the presence of a catalyst. The catalyst can be either natural or synthetic, and it helps to speed up the reaction and lower the energy required. By planting Earthflax on degraded lands, we can create a natural carbon sink that can sequester large amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere and store it in the soil. According to a recent study, Earthflax can capture up to 10 tons of CO2 per hectare per year, which is equivalent to the emissions of 2 cars. This means that if we cover 10% of the world's land area with Earthflax, we can offset about 20% of the global CO2 emissions. Another benefit of Earthflax is that it can help reduce soil erosion by stabilizing the soil structure and preventing water runoff. Soil erosion is a serious problem that affects millions of hectares of land every year, causing loss of fertility, biodiversity, and productivity. Soil erosion also contributes to more CO2 emissions by exposing organic matter to oxidation and decomposition. Earthflax can prevent soil erosion by forming a dense network of roots and fibers that bind the soil particles together and increase its cohesion. Earthflax also improves soil quality by adding organic matter and nutrients, such as nitrogen, to the soil. Nitrogen is an essential element for plant growth and development, but it is often scarce or imbalanced in natural environments. Earthflax can fix atmospheric nitrogen N2, through a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that live in its roots. These bacteria convert N2 into ammonia, NH3, which is then assimilated by Earthflax and released into the soil as nitrate, NO3. By enhancing soil carbon and nitrogen content, Earthflax can boost soil fertility and support the growth of other plants and crops. This can create a positive feedback loop that enhances ecosystem functioning and resilience. Earthflax can also provide other benefits, such as fire protection, insulation, sound absorption, and aesthetic value. In conclusion, Earthflax is a pioneer in sustainable vegetation that can help save the planet by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and soil erosion. By planting Earthflax on marginal lands, we can create a win-win situation for both humans and nature.